Hi, 90 Cummins here. I did a service on my Generac, my 25,000 watt PTO generator. I bought this in '99 for Y2K. Never really needed to use it. I probably got a total of 10 hours on it, including test time. Well, I'd been setting for a couple years in the corner, and so I pulled it out, pulled the back cover, wanted to check the brushes, make sure the slip rings were nice and clean. So I just took a stone to them, just made sure they were nice and shiny, checked the brushes. He says 25,000 watts, 50 surge. This is my 1720 Ford, 28 horse gross, 23 I think PTO. I put a turbo on it several years ago because I just needed a little more power. I snuck a Garrett GT 1752 in there, and well, it's got power now. This right here is a hydraulic filter to filter the turbo oil. Exhaust comes out the back here, you can see in there. Had to drill the block to install the turbo drain. So anyways, I just thought today was a good day to pull it out, put it on, hook it up, give it a run, warm the generator up, give the tractor a bit of a hot supper. It's been kind of loafing all summer, just doing miscellaneous tasks. What I have, I've got a heater here. It was a 3-phase unit, and what I did is I separated the it's got 3 heating units in it, so I separated them so I can have 1, 2, or 3 coils on it. Each heating unit's about 3,500 watts with them all on. This is the measured amperage running, 14.6 amps per leg times 6. So that about 80 amps, and we'll verify that. I have a clamp on amp meter. I have a kilowatt meter, so we can check the voltage and hertz. This is all mounted on a 3-point hitch assembly. This breaker panel is mounted on here permanently, so I can bring remote power anywhere. I have outlets here, 15 and 20 amp. Got a couple 50 amp outlets in addition to this one here. So we'll fire it up, and we'll put all the load I have on it here, and we'll just see how she goes. Disengage the PTO. Let's run the speed up. 500 watts. Hertz. Still got plenty of power left. So it's running right on the money. The hertz is right on the money. The voltage is right where it ought to be. It's drawing about 80 something amps total, 82, 83. So tractor's running good. Don't see any smoke. When I press on the throttle, it's got plenty of extra power. Before the turbo, it didn't have much more power after this. After the turbo installation, I can hook up that 20-inch planer, start it. I haven't got enough load in this garage to bog it down now. The whole purpose was to just make sure that the generator is operational in case I need it. So I hope you enjoyed this. I showed you a couple things that you need to do if you want to make sure that you don't damage any of your electronics in your house. The voltage needs to be correct and the cycles needs to be correct. So hope you enjoyed it.